Welcome to the Animal Research Project webpage. Here's the home page, and I'm going to show you the parts of the website that you will be using for your project. The first part is the headings, up here at the links. We have How Do I Research, Research Project, and Example Research Project. First, I'm going to click on How Do I Research. In here you will find a video that explains the process of researching. If I go underneath of it, I also have extra resources that I found on the web. Now, for your research project, you will have the choice of 4 animals. You have the tiger, the shark, the parrot, and the turtle. Once you have chosen your animal, then you will develop your research questions. Here are some sample questions. You will also find the research project graphic organizer with questions and answers that you will fill out to help you research. Once you have your questions, it's time to research. So I go up here to Research Project, and I go to Research Resources. And I hit the little arrow that goes down. As you can see, I have resources for each animal. The tiger has a couple websites and a couple videos. Each one of the animals has different videos and different links. You can click on the links and they will take you to another site. And you can get your information from these sites. Now, once you have all your information, you can create your Google Slides presentation. Here is the video that shows your expectations for the presentation. And then here's how you're going to submit it. You're going to hit the share button, and then you're going to type my email into the share address right here. Once you're done, you're going to sign up for your presentation, and you'll fill out this Google form, and you're going to pick out 2 days that you might want to present your project. Now, if you're having trouble with your project, that's why I made the example project. So let's go to research questions. I did an example for bats. Here I have my question, and here's the answer. Now, I didn't write complete sentences because I just wrote down the facts that I found. I can write complete sentences when I make my project. So now I'm going to show you the presentation that I created. This is my Google Slides presentation. I have what do bats look like, where do bats live, and then I have the answers. Now, if you're having trouble developing your Google Slides, you can go to the drop-down arrow and look at resources. And then I have the rubric too. The rubric is going to tell you what you exactly need to do to complete your project. And you have your checklist. You also have resources and rubric underneath your presentation. All of these things are very useful for you to complete your project. If you have any questions, you can always email me or ask me in class. I hope you enjoy your research project.